This is an Ellis Mowers and More small engine vlog. Stay connected on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. Comments or questions? Leave them below or email me, ellis@ellismowers.com. And as always, like and subscribe for more small engine content. On today's vlog, I didn't get y'all quite in the truck before I went and snagged all this trailer full of goodness here for $100. So in this video, hopefully we can get at least the push mower to a sellable condition and the little yard, well, it's not a little yard trailer, a big yard trailer sold here, and kind of get an idea of what all we're going to have to do to this Troy Bilt Bronco. So let's give it everything a look. Hopefully we can get this push mower repaired and that yard trailer sold, and at least make our money back and essentially have us a free lawn tractor here. So this guy just reached out to me. He's like, hey, I see that you do good work. Do you buy old machines? I have this. What would your offer be? I told him $100. So $100 bought it, and they're here. I figured that was decent enough price for them, especially considering that I can sell this Yard Commander trailer probably for that, if not more than that, and essentially have a free push mower, free ride mower. He did say the push mower has a bent shaft after he hit a stump. We may be able to see if we can hammer that shaft back into straightness, but it looks like this Yard Commander trailer already has tubes in the tires, so hopefully we just have to inflate those and we'll be okay, because it's just been sitting for a while. So that would be good, and we just give it a good quick little wash and throw it up, like I said, probably for $100, because these things actually bring decent money. Especially this is the long one. This is more like a 4-foot trailer or something. Huge trailer. So we'll go over to the Troy Bilt next. This is a Troy Bilt Bronco. It's got the automatic transmission. It's just a glorified Vera drive, but they work pretty good as long as you have the right belts on them. Got the bagger with it and everything. We'll get up on the trailer and I'll show you the model number and all that on this. So the model number 13WX78KS066. Serial number is 1E190B32209. I always have difficulty trying to figure out what year these are. I think this one is at least a 2012 or newer. I think it's a 2013. I think it's the 13WX78K. I'm not fully sure. I'll do some research and let y'all know. May have it on the engine here. But again, this has the Kohler Courage on it. Come on now. There we are. The Kohler Courage 20. And the first thing I looked at when I looked at it was, does it have a crack in the block? The good news is it doesn't look like it has a ton of like oil leaks, considering it's a Kohler Courage. The blade engage cable is broken on it. The spring is. And the deck's probably going to need freeing up and some work done to it. It's a little rusty crusty, but it's still all together, so that's good. Let's see if I've got the sticker on the machine here. 2010. It is a 2010, so that 6th number of the serial number will actually give you, the 6th number was a 0, and so it's a 2010 model. I thought it was a little bit newer than that, but it's still alright. Still in pretty good shape. And then again, this Bolens is a 500E series 140cc machine. Hopefully a carb clean and a sledgehammer will get this one back going again. And it'll be like $100 mower for somebody, maybe a little bit less, depending on how much it vibrates after that. But it's all here, and that's a good thing. So let's look inside here too, because it came with some extras that are also worth some decent money. Obviously the bagger, he said the bagger's never been used, it's always been in storage, so selling this with a bagger or selling another machine that will fit this bagger will be a huge plus. And then we have a brand new deck belt. We have a 42-inch blade and a new 21-inch blade for the push mower. So we're doing pretty good here. Maybe there's a second 42-inch blade in here somewhere. I don't think there is, unfortunately, but that's okay. Sometimes if you have a new blade and it bends one, you can only need one blade. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this and just show y'all it cleaned up. We're going to list it, and then we'll work on the push mower, and that'll be the extent of this video, I think. Well, after a couple weeks, the weather's obviously changed too. This is all I've got left from that lot. The Bolens push mower sold today for $100. I was able to hammer out the shaft to get it to where it wasn't vibrating anymore. Also had to clean the carburetor out. I think I had to clean the carburetor out. And the yard trailer, I was one of those 1,500-pound capacity yard trailers. If you bought one of those new, it would be upwards of $600 if you bought one of them new. I had it listed for $200. I took $150 for it, so we're at $250 for a $100 lot. I sold the bagger separately from the mower. I had it listed for $150. The guy asked, we negotiated $120 for it. So we've got $250 plus $120 is $370 off of a $100 lot. That was, I don't know, maybe about 30 minutes away. Nothing too crazy. Worth the drive though, just for an evening's worth of riding around, loading up some stuff. Plus, we have this left. So if I get that all fixed, it's probably a $500 to $600 mower, and I have to put maybe a little bit of money into it, but hopefully nothing crazy, and we'll have, I guess, a little over $800 after it's all said and done into a mower lot that only cost me about $100. It's going to take some time for me to get that fixed. You'll see that come up in another video on the channel coming up here sometime in the future. We'll see if we can crank it out here over the winter and have y'all a nice video during the cooler months where things are supposedly supposed to be slowing down, but I'm still selling like it's mid to late summer, it seems like. So it's nice to see. Been able to get a lot of things out, also pulling a lot of other things in. Found a lot from a yard sale for $100 today. I just negotiated a $100 deal for it. It's 3 of these walk behind weed trimmers plus a push mower with the Briggs classic engine. I also have a Homelight chainsaw, an old Homelight chainsaw, Troy Bilt edger, just a little standard curve shaft weed eater, electric pole saw, and electric hedge trimmers. So we'll make some good on that as well. So again, just be smart about what you buy. Get a feel for the customer. If they're wanting to let things go for cheap, give them a decent offer, and just see, what you might get. Just pay what you think it's worth to you. If they say no, then it's not meant to be. If they say yes, then it's meant to be, and you can turn things around and get some more money out of it. Thanks for joining me on this vlog today. I hope y'all enjoyed seeing what $100 will buy you, and I appreciate y'all watching, and we'll catch y'all on the next video. Take care.